So hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with another new video. So guys, today we discuss about homeowner insurance. Homeowner insurance is a form of property insurance that covers losses and damage to individual resident along with furnishing and other assets in the home. Homeowner insurance also provide liability coverage against accidents into the home or on the property. Homeowner insurance is a form of property insurance that covers losses and damages to individual house and assets in the home. The policy usually covers interior damage, exterior damage, loss or damage of personal assets, and injuries that arises while on the property. Everywhere homeowners insurance policy has liability limit which determine the amount of coverage the insured has should an unfortunate incident occur. Homeowner insurance should not be confused with a home warranty or with mortgage insurance. So guys, understanding homeowner insurance. A homeowner insurance policy usually covers four kinds of incident on injured property. Interior damage, exterior damage, loss or damage of personal assets, belonging and injury that occur while on property. When a claim is made on any of these incidents, the homeowner will be required to pay deductible, which in effect is the out-of-pocket cost for an insured. For example, say a claim is made to insure for interior water damage that has occurred in a home. The cost of bringing property back to livable condition estimated by claim adjuster. If the claim is approved, the homeowner is informed of amount of their deductible, say according to the policy agreement entered into. The insurance company will issue payment of excess cost in case $6,000. The higher deductible on an insurance contract, the lower the monthly or annual premium on homeowner insurance policy. Every homeowner insurance policy has liability limit which determine the amount of coverage the insured has should an unfortunate incident occur. The standard limit are usually 10,000, but policyholder can opt for a higher limit in the event that claim is made. Liability limits stipulate the